Class 5 we will be starting off with a new chapter, that is area and perimeter. Now before going into the chapter details, what is area and perimeter? Suppose when we draw any geometrical figure in the board, say circle, or if I draw a square, what you can see that inside the geometrical figure there is a space so inside the circle there is a space and the geometrical figure is bounding this entire space. Similarly, inside the square figure also, if I shade the portion, you will understand that the square, inside the square there is also a space occupied. So, any kind of geometrical figure, whether it is circle, square, triangle, rectangle, the space inside or how much surface it consumes, we call it area. And the boundary, boundary measurement, that is it is known as the perimeter. Similarly, the boundary of the geometrical figure circle, this entire measurement is known as the perimeter. So, if we want to know the definition of area, area means the space or the surface which is inside the geometrical figure or geometrical shape, and perimeter is the measure of the outside boundary. Now for your syllabus, you have only two types of geometrical figure, that is square and rectangle. So we will go to only square and rectangle for our video. Now in the board I have drawn two types of figure, one is square and one is rectangle. Now what is the difference between square and rectangle, these two geometrical shapes? The similarity is both are quadrilateral. Now what do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means formed by four line segments. So if you see square, square is also formed with four line segments. This is say line segment 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, the rectangle is also formed of four line segments 1, 2, 3 and 4. So both of them are formed by four line segments and therefore they are known as quadrilateral. But the difference is, in case of square, all the sides measurement are same. If I say this line segment measures 4 cm, it means all the line segments on all sides measures 4 centimeters. So if I know a single side of the square, that side measures 4 cm, we should understand that all the sides measure equal to 4 centimeters. But for a rectangle, the thing is not the same. It has the longest side is known as the length. Now you can see this side and the opposite side or the opposite line, they both are known as length. And these two opposite sides, they also measure the same, the measurement is same, and they are known as the breadth. So in a rectangle you can see it is also a quadrilateral made of four line segments, but the difference between square and rectangle is, in square all the four line segments are same. So if I know only one side of a square, we know all the measurements of all the different sides of the figure. But in case of rectangle, the two opposite sides, they measure the same. See, the measurement looks similar. So the longest side is known as the length and the shortest side is known as the breadth. Here also two opposite sides are similar. Now we will go to the formula of area. Now what I said that we are going to start with area and perimeter chapter. Area means the space inside the geometrical figure. Perimeter means the measurement of the outer boundary. And for our study for class 5, we are only concerned about these two geometrical shapes, that is square and rectangle. So how will I find the area of a square? Area means how much space inside is there of the square figure. So area of square can be found out with the formula which you have to remember, side into side. Or we can also call, when we multiply the same things together, we can also call side square. And if I can find this, we will arrive at our answer. So here, for example, what I have given, that the area of the side of the square is 4 centimeter. So if I have to find the area of a square, what I have to do? Side into side. That means 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. So it will be 4 into 4. Multiply the numbers. 60. Unit is given in centimeters. So centimeter into centimeter. Can you see that two similar units are multiplied? And just now told that when you multiply two similar units, you can write square. So centimeter square. So the unit of area is always having a square unit. Centimeter square is the unit of area over here. If the measurement is given, for example, in meters. Suppose instead of centimeter, it is given in meters. So that time, how to find the area? It will be 4 meters into 4 meters. So it will be 60, and meter is multiplied twice, so it will be meter square. So you have to remember that area for any figure always have square units. Now we will find the area of a rectangle. How to find the area of a rectangle? So if I want to know what is the space inside this geometrical figure whose shape is rectangle, area of rectangle is given by the formula length into breadth. So for example, here length or the longest side, if I take 6 centimeter, and breadth, the shortest side, of course it will be less than 6. Suppose it is 4 centimeter. So area of a rectangle can be found by this formula length into breadth. Length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. So the answer will be 24 centimeter is multiplied twice, so it is 24 centimeter square. So the formula of area is different for different geometrical figures. So here we come to know about the formula of area of a square. It is side into side, and formula of area of a rectangle to find the inside space of a geometrical figure rectangle. The formula is length into breadth, and in this way we come to the answer of how much space is inside the figures. And one thing that you have to remember whenever you are finding area, see the units are multiplied 2 times, so the answer will be having square units. Similarly, whether it is square or whether it is rectangle, rectangle, doesn't matter. Whenever you are finding area, the units are multiplied 2 times. So area, always remember, area have square units. We can write in two ways. We can write centimeter square, or we can write in words square centimeter, like this, square centimeters. If it is meter square, we can write in words square meters.